Olenia Caymares is a famous model. Olenia Caymares was born in August 23, 1998 in Cuba, curve model for various brands as well as an entrepreneur. She is famous for her workshops for women who want to establish online business. She has been involved in numerous different ventures like an agency for digital marketing as well as an app that lets you apply makeup on the go. She hails originally from South Florida. Olenia Caymares' ages in 2023 is 25 years. She currently resides in South Florida. She is an ambassador of the @forever21+ @Fashionova Curve. Olenia Caymares is about 5 feet 8 inches in height and 62 kg in weight. Her hair color is brown and her eyes are hazel. Olenia Caymares' net worth comes from model. Being a famous model, Olenia Caymares also earned money by TV commercial sponsors and being some popular brand ambassador. She has modeled for some famous brands like Fashionova Curve, Yons Plus, Doll Skill, Pretty Little Thing, Sheen Curve, Bang Energy, and several other brands. I hope you have all the information about Olenia Caymares that you wanted to know. If you have any questions about Olenia Caymares, you can ask me in comment section.